learners. Today we are going to learn art and craft activity for grade 8. Activity 2 is scenery in same color scheme. Now material required is your water bowl, poster colors, palette and brushes, also pencil, your sketchbook or an art sheet. Now I am going to divide this. Okay, so this will be our sky level and this will be our foreground. I am going to use orange first. This is vermilion in poster color. Okay. I have taken here warm color scheme. I have used here vermilion, chrome yellow, yellow and red. Now I am going to merge this. You can use your poster colors or acrylic if you want or you're comfortable with. Okay, we are going to merge this very carefully with some amount of water. Okay, don't merge all the colors, go by step. If this space is left, don't use the same brush. You can use another brush or else the red color will get merged in the light tone. Okay, so I am using here another brush. The sky level is done. Now I am going to do this foreground. Okay, I'll show your water reflection same way like yellow and orange. Same color scheme I have used. Now I am merging this. Don't be hard on your brush or else your grains of paper will come out. So be very light with your brush and your spreading technique. Whole image is completed. Now here is going to be my eye level, so I am using here a bit white. White shade like this. Now with the help of round brush, I am going to do your sky. So I am using dark shade on the middle tone. Here, wait for your paper to get dried. Okay, here I am using some dark shade. We'll wait some time for our paper to get dried. Here I am using vermilion. I am using chrome yellow to make clouds. Using it here also. Okay, now I am going to use black tone for leaves and trees. As you can see, my background is completed. Now I am using this black shade and I am drawing a tree here. You can draw first with the pencil and then use colors. It's completely upon you. I am using directly. You can draw a line, okay, which will be your eye line, eye level. Okay, here also I am drawing a tree. Now, with the help of flat brush, okay, I am doing a dabbing here. This dabbing technique I am using. Okay, use your brush very lightly so that your background color don't get mixed with this color. Like this. Okay, now here I am drawing some land portion here, okay, which is going to be my eye level. Same, I am drawing some grass with same color. I am using this flat brush only. Okay, just to create some motion in drawing, and also a steps of background and foreground. Same way, this is my foreground, so I am drawing it here also. See, I have used here. Retouch it here also. You don't have to use the brush again, color, okay, with this technique. Okay, now I am again using this black color for some it's completely optional. Okay, so this is the way how you have to complete the picture. As I have used warm color, you can use cool color scheme, that is you can use blue, light blue and white, black. This tone you can use and you can show night scenery also, and this I have shown afternoon scenery. Okay, you can also draw your objects. I will show you in a reference picture how it is completely done. In this way you have to complete your assignment. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.